Today we're going to learn about what is permutation and combination. Let's get started. Firstly, permutation is an ordered combination. Number of permutations of n objects taken r at a time is determined by the following formula. NPR equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. By example, a code starts with 5 letters. If the possible letters are A, B, C, D, and E, how many different permutations of these letters can be made if no letter is used more than once? The problem involved 5 things, which is A, B, C, D, and E, taken 3 at a time. So the solutions given on the slide, and the answer should be 60. Next, what is combination? Combination is when the order is not a factor. The number of combinations of n objects taken r at a time is determined by the following formula, whereas NCR equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. By example, my fruit dessert are combinations of strawberry and apple. I don't mind what order the fruits are in. Either it could be strawberry or apple, but it's still the same fruit dessert. Otherwise, the combinations can be divided into 2 parts, which is combination with repetition and combination without repetition.
Sunjay is packing his bags for his vacation. He has 9 units bottles of perfumes to bring, but only 3 bottles of perfume fit in his bag. How many different groups of 3 perfumes can he take?
Sanjay has 3 space for his perfume. So let's fill the bottles one by one. At first, the question said that Sanjay has nine choice of what to put in the first space. So for the second space, he only have 8 bottles of perfume left. So there are only 8 choice of what to put in the second space. So far it seems like 9 times 8 equal to 72 different perfume choice Sanjay could have made to fill the first 2 space in his bag, but it still seems not logic, right? So why? So it is because if he pick perfume number 3, then perfume number 1, that is the same situation as picking perfume number 1 and perfume number 3. Both of the perfume end up in the same bag. So if Sanjay keeps filling this space in his bag, making 9 times 8 times 7 equal to 9, factorize, divide by 9 minus 3 equal to 504 decision altogether. So look at the number. We can see that we already overcount a bunch of groups. So how much have we overcount? So for every group of 3, we have counted them as if the order we choose them in matters, when really it doesn't. So the number of time we have overcount each group is the number of way to order 3 things. So they are 3 factorized equal to 6 ways of ordering 3 things. So we have count each group of 3 perfume 6 times. For the calculation, the formula is C N R equal to N factorized over R factorized N minus R. So, next we insert the number 9 factorized over 3 factorized 9 minus 3 factorized. Okay, so 9 factorized over 9 minus 3 factorized times 1 over 3 is the number of groups of perfume Sanjay can bring. Another way to write this is 9 3 or 9 choose 3, which is 84.
The school has selected 10 top students to bring them to the beach. At night, the students decided to make a campfire. How many ways can the 10 students sit around the campfire?
This question is related with our real life. That's why we create this question. And the solution for this question is, let's consider that if everybody gets up and moves to the clock opposite, we can assume that they are moving to a similar arrangement. This means if one student sit at any place, so the number of students will decrease by one student at the other place. So the solution we do like this: 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and also we divided by the total number of the students, which is 10 students, and then we just use the calculator and we get the answer is 362,800